It's GameStop. Ooh, Auntie Anne's. Oh yeah, they got a Vans. Build-A-Bear guys. Oh, that store's closed. I see. Where that used to be. Ooh, pretzels. Oh, Jamba Juice. The elevator. Is the elevator coming out? American Eagle. Carousel.
Yeah.
The food court right in front of us.
Me, sure, I love Steve.
What, diamonds? Okay, we're almost there, honey.
Oh, it's just about 50
Oh, there's a Game World? So is that like GameStop, but like different? Near Dillard's. I want you to go check out Game World. They got gyros and see, oh, they got Popeyes in here. They got the Japanese place over there. Great American, oh, Famous Walk. I got two. Yeah, they got like a Chinese and a Japanese place. I was like the Japanese place at the mall food courts. And the Carousel. Okay, I'll be here, honey. No, but they stand out in front and give free samples. Don't you know? Oh. Chick-fil-A, Great American cookies. Bath and Body Works. Cookie cakes, graduation sales. Capital One Cafe. You want to say hi, Capital One? Well, don't listen to me.
Look, I just walk out.
Don't listen to what I have to say. That's why you shouldn't take me shopping. Oh, Yankee candles, fancy candles, culture shot. Oh, we got perfume shot. See, I know there's no more of the little play gym areas. I guess the play gym's over here by J.C. Penney's. I thought they took all of them out. The play area for the kids. What you next, honey? High elevator. He likes the Pink Panther. Lids, rep your country. The World Cup peeps. Oh, that boba tea. Not boba queen tea.
Do you want to try some?
No, I only drink your boba. Hey, it's merry-go-round. Hi, merry-go-round. Drone TV. Oh, is that Six Flags New Orleans, guys? That's cool. That's not Six Flags. That's Carousel. Oh, there's one boba.
Space.
Oh, they got popcorn. Oh, they have a bunch of like the little stores with stuff. Look at. the shoes you want?
150.
Yeah. Not expensive like the thing that I want. Come on, accept.
Ôi.
Hi, honey. Oh, that feels nice, actually. Yeah. What's the price tag? $30. Move right along. Oh, black and gold. Am I supposed to be in the frame?
75 bucks.
25 bucks? Under Armour? Oh, that's that style you like, isn't it? The breathable ones.
Let's check the price of how much that is called. 30 bucks. ทำไมชิปจังเลย
Is this what? Grizzlies? What do we got in Vancouver? Grizzlies? Who's that? We haven't been to Vancouver in a long time. Oh, Elijah one. There we go. How much is a Rockets hat? Do I need a Rockets hat? Oh, no, it's only $32. Oh, that's a very nice Rocket shirt. It's a nice black hoodie. It's a hoodie, right? There's a red hat. I lost my wife, so I'm gonna come. Oh, is this FIFA? Oh, they got the FIFA shirts. Oh, all of the FIFA, yeah. I don't know, those don't seem quite as great for. Is that all they got? Oh, these got women's shirts. Oh, NCAA, we got Longhorns. Oh, there we got more soccer. Oh, Mexico, oh, Argentina. Okay. I was like, gotcha. Oh, Italy. We got like a full Mandalorian thing. Sweet kiwi and store fruit. That sounds delicious. Blueberry Beach Club. Meet me in Miami. The fancy hand sanitizers.
What is this?
Just hand sanitizer. It's just different flavors, so it smells. Just like reasonable. 36 bucks, yeah. Oh, that's cute. Oh, Stitch guys. Is Stitch on sale still? Oh, $30. I don't think Stitch is on sale. Ooh, Disney. Now there you go.
What is your mom name?
D.
ไม่เห็นมีดีเลย